Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix user username AppData roaming Microsoft Windows Helper.exe startup error. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click download Autorun and Autorun.exe. Click show in folder. Right click, click extract to Autoruns. Open Autoruns folder. "32-bit Windows use Autoruns. 64-bit Windows use Autorun 64. Right-click Run as administrator. Agree to continue. Type Helper.exe. If any entries related to Helper.exe, simply delete the entries. After delete entries, close and restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.